Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Here is Bitty. He is your Bitcoin trading informant. And as you can see, here is my live stream. Here is Bitcoin live stream, Bitcoin trading informant live stream. We have today Valentine's Day. We have the 14th February. And today you saw a lot of videos, a lot of TA from me. You saw Bitcoin, you saw XLM, you saw ADA. Now we will take a look to Ethereum. And as you can see, it's Sunday, it's Bloody Sunday again. Mostly on the last Sundays, it was bloody. It was bloody for Bitcoin and it was a little bit bloody for the altcoins. All weekend was bloody or were bloody. So now let's take a look about Ethereum. Here is Ethereum. Here is the 15-minute chart. Here is Ethereum. Here is the 4-hour chart. Okay, let's go into Ethereum. Let's open up the 15-minute chart because here momently you can see a very important thing. Ethereum broke this little uptrend here. Ethereum was here in the green uptrend. You saw here the high of Ethereum, the all-time high was about 1870, and from this point you saw a little correction, then you saw an uptrend, and now you see here a correction again. So that's very interesting. What's happening now with Ethereum? We would start in the higher time frame, not here in the 15-minute chart. We are going to the daily, and we take a look about Ethereum and zoom out to the daily chart. So you can see it here very nicely. We are here in the daily chart, and now we will try to make an analyze with this 5-wave theory I showed you in some other videos. And you can see here a lot of things, a very lot of things. I hope you are not too confused to see this here of Ethereum. I'm zooming in a little bit. So what can we see now, guys? And that's the very important thing now. What do we see? We have here on the daily chart a green uptrend. Okay, Ethereum is in this green daily uptrend. It's working really nice. So you can see the uptrend started here. It's going up to here, down, and here you see we make higher highs and we make higher lows. So everything is fine. Everything works perfect here for Ethereum. The thing is, we have here, you can see a line, this red line, from the highest highs here to the higher high and the higher high and so on. So this red line here is our momently resistance. As you can see, this red line here was the line from the lows. You see here from this low, a line to this, then for about 3 days we broke it one time, here we broke it again, and now we broke it again. So this red line is not the actual best thing to watch. We have to watch to this line here. That's the support line here. A support line is always green, but what's important to see here, you can see we are forming a rising wedge here, a rising wedge on Ethereum on the daily chart, and that's very important to see here. Okay, today we're going down a little bit. We are on 1759. But the important thing is you can see we are forming here this wedge on the daily chart, and it's going, maybe it's going to this point here to retest this support here, this red line. Should be a green line, but it's better to see with a red line. If we are making a symbol here, you can say this is, you can see this is this signal here for 1750. So maybe it's possible to retest this line here with 1750. And the important thing is this must hold, guys. This is similar to the uptrend, this big uptrend. And for Ethereum, it's very important. This line here has to hold 1750. They must hold. It's very important. You can see here the hash ribbon band. It's a long way to ribbon band, so no problem. This is the next support here for Ethereum. If it's going down on the daily, we have a next support here on the EMA ribbon band, and that's about 1600. And a very next good support, but it's not necessary to think about that, are the next lines here. You can see it here, down and down and down and down. One important thing too, we have here the Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci you see here, are seeing here, is not correct because the all-time high is not correct. I will delete it here. So okay, and we will make here no Fibonacci momently, because here is no need for a Fibonacci as long as we are in this rising wedge here. One thing we can take a look about it is the 5-wave theory, but we will not make it on the daily chart because it's just too confusing here. We will make it on the 4-hour chart. Let's go deeper to the 4-hour chart. So now we are in the 4-hour chart, and you can see the rising wedge here. You can see a lot of signals here. BE is the bearish engulfing. You can take a look about another video from me. It's a very nice video about this signals. What are they meaning? BE, bearish engulfing. Just take a look to another video on my channel. I told it there. It's named candlestick pattern, and you can see it what they are for. So okay guys, this is the place to watch. It's here. If we are going on the 4-hour chart, you can see 1760. It's not so much place here from 1779 to 1760, but that's the place to watch. What's important to see here, take a look about this ribbon band, guys. Ethereum is now on the 4-hour chart fighting with this ribbon band. Just take a look at this. Ethereum is on the uptrend, and it was here always over the ribbon band. Here, the big dump, 1490, a perfect buy point. Ethereum was under this ribbon band, fights back. Here, fight it with the ribbon band and fight it back, fight it back, and so on and so on. And now you can see the Ethereum price is nearly in the hash ribbon band and fighting with it. So this is the big support here, the hash ribbon band, and it's similar to this uptrend. It's similar to the red line, and so this is such a important, very important support. Now this is the place to take a look about 1760. Ethereum must stay over this line to keep on going and to be bullish here. We have an altcoin season, everything is moving. I think we are breaking this, no problem. I think it's going more and more up and up and up in the next time, but it's always necessary to see what's going on if we are going down here. What's the next target? What's our support if we are going down here? Okay, that's for it. That's the 4-hour chart. Now let's take a look. Let's turn off all patterns here. Let's turn off the ribbon band. Let's turn off all patterns here. This is my rocket. We don't need the rocket momently here. We are give it here. Okay. So okay guys, what is going on here? We have here a nice uptrend. And on the last videos I told you it's the 5-wave theory. We have a 5-wave up and a 3-wave down. So let's try this out here. Let's try this out on Ethereum on the 4-hour chart. Let's turn on the panel. Let's search the 5-wave theory. Here it is, the 5-wave. And in my opinion, I start here. I would like to say this was a let's take a look about A is going down, a B and a C. It's not the perfect one, but okay, maybe. Let's start here. Let's start with this big pump. This is my wave 1. That's the difficult thing, guys. We have to find the entry of the wave. We have to find always the start of the wave. But here, before we start, you can see I drawed here a wave from here, from the start, from 0 to 1, the next point to 2, 3, 4, 5. That was a 5-wave. Okay, then, guys, here is the next place to be. It's the ABC correction of every 5-wave. We're going up. We would like to see a correction for ABC. A lot of traders are trading this, guys. So it's personally, I think it's very often this possible. It's possible. Sorry, guys. So let's start here. Here's the point 0. It's going down 1. It's going up 2, and mostly it's going up here to C. So as A, B, and C. Here was the point C, and this point C was a great point to buy in Ethereum if you are using this theory. So okay, it's finished now. You can see it's going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the correction A, B, C. in this opinion, it worked not so good because it's so bullish momently. We did not see a correction here on Ethereum. So mostly we will see a up and then a little down, then a big up and a little down. In this opinion, we see a up and the next up. It was not a big down, but okay. Let's take a look on it. We are here finished with our complete 5-wave, with our complete ABC. Let's start with a new one. Here is a new wave. Here is the new wave with 1 to 5. We're starting here, wave 1. I did not try it before, so let's take a look about it. Here's wave 1. We're coming down. Wave 2. Here is wave 3. We're coming down. Here is wave 4. And in my opinion, this could be wave 5. So, on another point, it's important to see mostly wave 4 can't be lower as wave 2. That's a thing. I think this will not work. So, possible, it's this, guys. This is wave 1. That looks a little bit confusing. This is wave 2. It's for me more possible here. We touched here the bottom. So, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is this one. Wave 4 is going back again, and wave 5 is this one, or wave 5 is building now, because wave 5 is mostly a big one. You see the first wave is a big, here are little waves, and the last wave is a big one. That's mostly here. So in this opinion here, it's maybe is this wave not finished now, and maybe we see here the wave 5 could be here this one. So it's possible to see here more up and up and up again, because the 5th wave here is always a very big wave here. So it's difficult to say the next point. I'm trying to read my glass, my wonder glass, and as you can see, I have here problems. It's a little bit difficult to see the next point. If the wave 5 is this one here, and then we will see a ABC correction. Let's take a look about this. It's maybe then from here to here, to here, to here. It's a little correction. It's not something big one. It's very hard to see. I can't predict it now. I can't say what's going on now. Bitcoin is so bullish. I can't really say what's going on now. Is this the 0.5 or is the 0.5 here on this direction? We can't use this here for a price prediction. It's very, very, very hard to say. So, okay, we forget the 5-wave theory momently here. It's not possible for me to say in which direction it will go. In my opinion, we may test here. Again, it's a higher low, that's important. You see here this low. So this low, if we are touching it, is a little bit higher as this one. And then up, and maybe we will break out is this to the upside, because everything is so bullish and everything is flying to the moon momently. That's a very likely thing here. So if this is going up here from this point, we may see the 0.5 on this point here. It's possible, and you see this point is about 2100. So it's speculation, but it's possible. Why not? Okay, guys, let's go here back to the 1 hour chart on Ethereum, and let's take a look about one thing here that's very important. Let's take about a look Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Ethereum, BTC, and we use the Binance. So okay, here we are, and you see here a lot of drawings from Bitty. I drawed here, and as you can see, I'm here is a very bad smiley. Was not good, because Ethereum broke out to this direction here, and that was very, very sad for me. So we are in the uptrend here. Bitcoin broke this uptrend. Okay, that was the point to stay out of Ethereum. Sorry, Ethereum broke the uptrend here. Was a very, very important point to go out from here. As you can see, good for trading Ethereum versus BTC is when it's going up like this here. Bad is when it's going down. You can see on this point Ethereum jumped up here from this uptrend. It's going up very good, but here a big dump, and now it broke this uptrend, and Ethereum is here sideways against Bitcoin momently. So what does it mean? It's very hard to Very hard to trade Ethereum momently against Bitcoin, because as you can see, it's a sideways direction, and I have no clear direction for Ethereum now to trade. That's a very, very hard thing. This uptrend here is broken. We have a downtrend. Just like let's take a look about this. Let's make a trend line, a parallel channel from here to here. This was the downtrend, and to here. As you can see, Ethereum broke this downtrend and it's going sideways now. So okay, it's not nice to say it, guys, but Ethereum is going sideways against Bitcoin. It's a hard decision. I would not trade it momently, because not a good direction here. If we are breaking up, cool, Ethereum is to trade, but if you're in the sideways or it's going down, I would not trade it momently. Sorry that I can't say here something more, because it's not so good to see momentarily. It's the sideways directions is not so good to trade and not so good to see. Ethereum versus USD, you can see here this one, and as long as I said, as long as we are in this rising wedge here, everything is fine for a long position if you are long here, but momently I would not trade it here. If we are breaking down from this, I would go short. If you are breaking up from this, I would go long. That's the finest thing I can tell you. If we are going under 1770 or 60, it's a bearish sign. I would make a short position if we have a confirmed breakout, and if we're going over this line, that's about 1,900 bucks, 1,920, and a confirmed outbreak, I would go in a long position here. As you can see, we have here a price target. This price target is not working for this momently, because this price target is the highest point from here to the lowest point. Sorry, here is the lowest point and here is the highest point. Not so perfect. And if we are breaking out to the downside, maybe from here to the downside, you see here is our target, about 1,480. Why should Ethereum go down from here? Why to hell it's going always up? We will see times, guys, where the altcoins will going down again and Bitcoin will go down again. So we are prepared. If we're going down, 1,480 is the target. Maybe if we're going up from here, we see here a target about 1,000 to 2,200 bucks. In my opinion, that's the thing we should watch. Here is the big look at this rising wedge here. So guys, that's it for Ethereum. That's it for the next time. What we await for the next week, maybe in Ethereum, the next days. Take a look about this, and you can trade it. It's so bullish momently. All things are bullish. All things are exploding. But keep always in mind, it's going up and it's going down. The time will come where it will go down, and be prepared for that, guys. So I wish you the best of luck with trading. I wish you the best of luck with all. Have a nice day. Have a nice time, have a nice day, make it good, greetings, your BT, your Bitcoin trading informant.